YouTube with a new glove. You see how bright and clean they are? So when you do something like this, they really see it. But yeah, I burnt my old gloves on the exhaust pipe of the Ducati, so I had to get new ones. Oh shit. I had to get new ones. So I did. Yo, 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 yo. You might be wondering why I'm standing in the middle of an off-ramp. Well, I'm waiting for Mr. DSG to come blowing by. We have the, I can't say it properly, I apologize. The Hyundai Fiju Tech, something Tech Z1-Rider. It's the gimbal here attached to the GoPro 3-way arm. As you can see, it stabilizes my shot with a steady follow too. Very cool. Beautiful. But it follows quite slow, so you do have to get used to the way it works. But so far I'm having a great time with it. Posted a video yesterday. It was attached to the back of my bike, keeping level. So even though I'm turning in a corner, the camera's staying level, which makes for those wicked shots. You can kind of figure out how low the guys are getting behind me. Other features, has follow, lock, steady mode, stuff like that. You can pan it up and down with these buttons. Firmware update, you can't put power through there. I did tell them to put power, it'd be nice, because you can charge the GoPro from inside here as a little cable comes in. And yeah, other than that, like, it's great. Yo, 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 we're out here doing it again! There's one. There's two. Motard style. Ballin'. So we got some of DSG's clients slash friends from Ducati Calgary, and we're out here taking some more shots with the Z1-Rider and GoPro 4. Absolutely love this device, making for some very cool shots. There's little quirks with it here and there you have to get used to, like you can't go too far, see, because it hits. There's some other little things that they could work on, but other than that, like, it's absolutely, like, look, it's fantastic. I'm having a blast with it. So waiting for the boys to come around again, see if we can't take some more good video. The light's fantastic. It's coming right at the bikes. The only downside is you can see my shadow, but so much fun. I think I hear them. Well, that was so close to hitting the camera. So close. Awesome.